Shemai! Welcome to episode 4 of Show Us Your Ukes, where I feature ukuleles from around the world. So yes, I am back down in this room again. It's been a little while since we've had our last Show Us Your Ukes, so I'm going to feature another 5 wonderful collections, including lots and lots of ukuleles from all over the world. I'll give you a little teaser. There seems to be quite a few magic fleas and fluke ukuleles. It wasn't planned, but I'm not gonna lie, I need one now. Don't forget, if you want your favourite ukulele or ukulele collection featured on Show Us Your Ukes, check out the description below because there's a video in there with full instructions. It's really easy. And thank you to everybody who's been sending in their picks for it. So grab yourself a cup of tea or whatever you fancy. It's time for a nice relax. I do hope you enjoy episode 4 of Show Us Your Ukes. First up is Helena from Vancouver Island in Canada. She's been playing since 2017 and has in fact got 11 ukuleles so far. As always, I'll put all the details in the description. So the Cordoba 22C, it's a concert uke, and then look at the inlay on the fingerboard on that Carla acacia. Absolutely loving it. Some more concerts, a Carla mahogany. In the middle, an Awen handmade solid ovangkol, a Flight Amara concert ukulele, and on the end, a Luna artist vintage concert uke. Taking a look at the back of her concert ukuleles, I often think they're very underrated. Look at the lovely wood there. Very often I just turn a ukulele over straight away. Her travel ukuleles, we've got a Flight Sakura with a gorgeous flower pattern, and the Magic Fluke flea soprano with just a stunning design on the front of that. Some more sopranos, the Carla Exotic Mahogany, her Carla 15S soprano, which is the first ukulele, and a Carla long neck soprano in that standard sofa pose. And some more backs. The soprano ukuleles this time, and apart from the lovely wood, we can see those nice moulded backs on the travel ukes. I think Helena's like me, she loves her cases, and there are some very pretty cases there. Always really handy to be able to store and carry your ukuleles. The soprano cases, if you're wondering what that strange shaped one is on the left, it's for her flea soprano by Magic Fluke. Helena hasn't had a new ukulele for a while, but definitely has a banjolele on her UAS list. Thank you, Helena, for showing us your ukes. So next up is Roger. He's from Hampshire in England, although the giveaway in the middle, he was actually born in Wales, just down the road from me in Swansea, and still has family living in Cardiff. There's his favourite ukulele, the Welsh Dragon, and it's actually an octopus soprano ukulele. It's a different uke to mine. I'm loving seeing the kazoo on the table there as well, and always good to know that Roger is practicing his chords. So on the sofa, we've got a very cute little watermelon by Carla and a Mahalo soprano uke. It's actually a rescue uke from a charity shop. This is Roger's Java electroacoustic ukulele by Tanglewood, and there's the man himself sporting a very dapper hat whilst playing said ukulele. Back onto the sofa now. On the left, another rescue uke. I love the idea Roger's going round and buying ukuleles to rescue them. The Mahalo Union Jack soprano uke, which is often used as a prop when his group are out playing. And there, another shot of Roger in his Romsey ukulele group t-shirt, playing his dragon ukulele. You know the saying, you can take a man out of Wales. And there's the Romsey Ukulele Group, obviously out having some fun and playing by some local shops. It looks nice and sunny there. Let's hope we can get back to playing a little bit more. And as Roger says, his journey actually started after visiting the Ukulele Festival of Wales in Gower a few years ago. Thank you, Roger, for showing us your ukes. So we're going to take a look at Loree's ukulele collection now. She's from Maine in the USA and has been one of my long-time supporters, and it's always nice seeing ukuleles that I've heard so much about. Taking a closer look, we've got that gorgeous Carla mahogany U-bass, a Cordoba concert uke, I've actually got that model, and a Vorsen electric solid body concert ukulele. And of course for the electrics we've got a lovely Fender Frontman 10G amp, and for the basses we've got a Fender Rumble 25 watt bass amp. Always use a bass amp for your bass ukes. Talking of bass ukes, a Hadeen solid body electric ukulele, another bass uke by Hadeen, which is the electroacoustic with those stunning F-holes, and the Reza LP Sunburst tenor electric uke. Enjoying the Portland boat as well, which you couldn't quite see in the photo before. So, some more ukuleles. This time another Cordoba, it's a tenor, the 20 TMCE, it's an electroacoustic, and a Carla, again a tenor with that really nice gloss finish. And of course we mustn't forget Loree's pedal board, because I can see her as a rock chick on that really nice Blacks mini pedal board. Thoroughly enjoyed seeing all of your ukuleles, and I do really like the setup you've taken for the photo as well. Thanks Loree for showing us your ukes. So we go over to Gethin in Wales, and no, you're not seeing things, they are two Welsh rugby players there. They're actually called Rugby Grogs, and a Dalek all guarding his lovely ukuleles. Gethin's favourite ukulele is this green Concert Flea by Magic Fluke. It's actually called Safari, and he got it from the lovely Matt in the uke room. I do like that. And there's the headstock of the flea as well, and they're actually upgraded frictionless tuners. Very nice. So now we're looking at his Kuweya. It's a soprano uke, the KSU model with upgraded tuners again, and this one was bought from another Matt in the world of ukes. A really nice little soprano. Bruco, I featured this before in Jason's collection. This is the number 6 soprano model, a German ukulele, and you can see the legend of Neil Jenkins, another Welsh rugby player there. There's something about these flukes and fleas in this episode. It wasn't planned, I need one now. This is the Magic Fluke, the Fluke Tenor M20, and I am loving the wood fingerboard as well as the wood top. Very nice. And again, upgraded tuners, but this time Geth bought it like this. A really nice ukulele. So he does play with a Lampeter ukulele group. Check out his channel, Geth Plays Ukulele. Maybe one day we'll get to meet in person. Thank you, Gethin, for showing us your ukes. So last but definitely not least, we've got Nigel, and can I just say a massive thank you, because I can only imagine how long it's taken to take all of the photos for this. Huge appreciation. So we're looking actually at Nigel's bedroom wall. He says his wife kindly or stupidly allowed him to hang up some of his ukes in there. In fact, it doesn't fit the whole collection, and wow, what an awesome collection. Nigel actually owns some guitars as well. They're mainly 3/4 size guitars, including a Faith and an Enya. As always, I'll put everything in the description below if I miss something out. And a Nui Nui travel guitar, very nice indeed, and that round back guitar by Clearwater. onto his ukes. A really nice acacia baritone uke, an Enya high pressure laminate, an awesome custom built banjolele, and that really nice solid acacia. I'm loving the wood on that. Another limited edition, the Sweet Pea by Carla, another magic flute, a fluke this time, a really nice mainland, and an Omega Zedro. What is it with these fleas and flukes? Tiki, there's a beautiful purple banjolele, that round Enya, and the Carla with such stunning wood in it. The Ziracote, I actually have that soprano uke, they're so cute. A really nice solid top koa base with such an interesting design, and the Marvel tin uke, he doesn't have that anymore. And a Nui Nui A10 concert uke, that Yamaha bass guitar, and a Fender Tele tenor. I'm struggling to keep up, I'll put it all in the description. What a gorgeous blue Lava U tenor, and that Carla 8-string, and of course modelled by Dane, and it's nice to see Nigel in that picture too. This last uke deserves not to be rushed. It's a Cordoba 5-string ukulele. Now these are really quite special instruments. Look at the wood grain and the colours on this. It really is awesome. You can't just go and buy one of these ukuleles. You get entered into a sort of raffle with a chance to buy one. I've got to say, the grain and colours on this ukulele are just absolutely gorgeous. Even the side profile of it, absolutely loving it. And that means they are special, the fact that you actually have to win the right to buy one. It is a 5-string ukulele, and again, just the colours in that fingerboard, not something you see very often. Forever Autumn is actually in memory of one of Nigel's previous dogs. What a lovely idea. So the Cordoba ukulele, made in Nicaragua. It's a 5-string, and look at the model number, 001. What a special uke. Thank you ever so much, Nigel. Go and check out his YouTube, UK Navi Nige. Thanks, Nige, for showing us your ukes. I do hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoy making these, and I did warn you, those magic flukes, wow, I need one. And that Cordoba at the end, something special there. If you want to see your ukuleles featured here on Show Us Your Ukes, go to the description. There is a video. It's really simple. Take a few photos, get a little bit of info, send it in to me. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.